And here's what they just learned, Kelsey, because of you. It is important that when you're talking about these types of things, to take into consideration opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. When you spend your money one way, that means you can't spend it another way. And then you have to be able to figure out, if I did it this way, is it making me money or losing me money? If I chose option B, is it making me money or losing me money? If I choose option C. So there's so many options we could use, okay? But if we're not tracking how much these options cost us, what good is it? So banking has set up a system whereby we ignore the cost of making decisions. It's enough just to save. So as long as we're saving, we're okay. But we don't know how much we're saving, and we don't know if we could improve it. But I will pay attention to how much I'm spending on grapes and how much I'm paying on gas, but not how much I'm paying the bank to rent their money. Wow. I'm telling you, banks are marketing geniuses.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.